Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing a safe backup target and giving it priority. This prevents mid-process failures. Connect the external drive or sign into the cloud service, then make sure your phone or camera is unlocked and accessible. Once done, grant file access permissions and confirm available space. Aim for at least 20% headroom. You should also pick a folder naming scheme so files stay organized. Start copying a small batch of photos now to validate transfer speed and permission correctness before proceeding to the full backup. Now you execute the main transfer, methodically moving photos in manageable batches to avoid errors. Begin with recent folders and use chronological organization so you can track progress. If your tool supports verification or checksums, enable that to detect corrupted files. Otherwise, spot check images after each batch. Make sure to preserve metadata and folder structure during transfer. Once a batch completes, confirm counts and sample image opens. Repeat until all photos are backed up, keeping a log of transferred folders and any anomalies you finish by deleting originals only after full verification. Don't rush this last step. Compare file counts and spot open images from the backup, check checksums if available, and then remove originals from the device. After deletion, empty the device trash or recycle bin and reboot the device to refresh indexes. Make sure to keep one additional backup copy or enable cloud versioning for 30 days as insurance. If anything goes wrong, restore from the backup copy or use version history. That single extra copy solves most recovery problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.